Okay.
Okay, guys. Right now, our commented on our video and said we need help. So, go into the park, and that's where they're usually at. See if this is probably some sort of prank.
Probably terribly wobbly. Oh yeah, we got the pickleball championship going on at the park. I'm gonna turn off the flash. Hayden, come here. There is like people over there, huh?
Okay, so guys, we searched around the area and can't find them. There was like people.
There was a lot of people outside.
Where he lives.
Yeah. There was a lot of people outside. We rolled up there. There was a lot of people outside. They were on their phones. And they,
This is getting kind of creepy.
they're getting kind of creepy. I'm going to turn off the flash. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is getting really strange. I don't know. And say what? That's kind of weird though. I don't, you know, I mean.
Colby sent probably like 20. He sent like 20 like comments, and then he said we need help, and then we asked him how, and he was like getting a response.
Colby, you had us scared half to death. You need help. Colby. Well, Colby, you said you wanted to be in a video, now you're in it.
Yeah, we're posting a video today, tomorrow. Can Bruno be making our video tomorrow?
Yes.
Guys, make sure to like and subscribe to our video. And do not mind the trash can. But so yeah, we found the missing person.
That was very creepy. I'm happy to see you're all right. But we were like, let's go on our scooter ride and we'll just go by there and see if everything's all right.
Yeah, guys, comment down below if you guys want YouTube channel. This is our dream to have one.
Oh yeah?
So that can like be what's it called? What's your YouTube channel?
Cool.
On this video, we'll put a link in the description. Put my channel.
We will. We'll link it in. This is hilarious.
Once we get to 50 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway of a $50 Amazon gift card. Just do a random poll, just like random person. They need merch. Comment below saying they need merch.
Yeah, merch if you want Nintendo
We'll make
merch.
merch
I mean,
if we get to
like if you want
1,000
Nintendo
subscribers.
merch.
Yeah, but
Merch if you want merch.
down below. So,
All right, we gotta go.
that's it for this video.
Goodbye.
Fine. Bye.
The
And
Nintendo
like,
saved the day,
subscribe,
kind of.
And let's go.